This bonsai has completely lost its shape. At this point, most beginners would not know what to do. But hidden inside this mess, still a tree worth saving. We just need to bring it back. Right now, there is no structure, no clear direction, so the first step is to remove the chaos. And it always begins with a single cut. I'm removing anything that blocks light, anything that crosses, and anything that doesn't belong. Slowly, the structure will soon appear. Now you can start to see it. The bonds of the tree were always there. At this stage, it's no longer about removing, it's about choosing which branch stays and which one goes. Balance is everything. I'm removing the leaves that are not needed, so we need some negative spaces. The leaves will grow back within a few weeks' time. Now we give the tree direction. Every branch is gently guided into space. No force, but encourage. Now I'm refining the old wound to make it look more natural. After cutting, I have to apply the healing agent. From overgrown to refined. Thanks for watching.